Well, we haven't had any power for a few days, so I'm trying to get the jackery up to speed. Luckily the sun's out, so I'm doing man jobs. Caroline's washing up. Which is how it should be, I think. But anyway, on the man job front, we're getting 94 2 to 5 watts coming in, so that's pretty good.
And what's the solar inside on the top of the van?
Oh, solar inside, I'm being asked, in this weather is we're getting 61.5 watts. Which, considering it's the 3rd of January, is pretty good, so we're happy to get some power. The Christmas tree is coming back to Lincolnshire with us, no matter what.
I can't dump it. The decorations have come off, but I feel sad dumping it, so it's going to come back with us. That's the plan.
So it's not inconvenient, that, at all.
This was just a great overnight stop on our way to Gibraltar. Well, we've arrived just outside Gibraltar, so you can see our background. So we're just leaving the van. We've got a nice little spot, and it's, if we turn around, literally we've got Gibraltar in the background and the harbour.
And the lamppost.
And the lamppost, yeah. And the harbour on the other side, so we're looking directly out onto the harbour. But we'd like to think it's an exclusive spot. But we'll show you the road that we're in. It's beautiful, to be honest, that they've done this. So there's just one or two of us getting the best view of Gibraltar. So we're just walking into the old town of Gibraltar.
As we've arrived in Britain, We thought we'd have fish. Little Britain. We thought we'd have fish and chips at Roy's. We're heading up the Rock of Gibraltar. It's hard work because we've just had fish and chips. But we're taking it slow. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, although they're a bit smelly.
Okay.
That was a bit quick and stuff.
The sun will be out again in a second.
We're here in, where are we? We're here in Faro. Deluxe site. We've had a lovely couple of days, and we're all in a lovely row. And the sun has come out, especially for us. And we're the UK bandits. We've taken up 10 spaces instead of 3.
Exactly what they tell you not to do.
Exactly what we shouldn't do. But hey ho, it's been fun.
Bye!
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 See ya.